Whether you're a new or returning student to the Heath Park campus, we know that the library services are essential for your time at Cardiff University. Here's everything you need to know about the Health Library at the Heath Park campus. When you enter any Cardiff University library, you'll need to scan the Cardiff University QR code to fill in your track, trace and protect information. This is essential in controlling the spread of COVID-19 in these study spaces. If you have any questions when entering the library, make sure you ask a member of staff. The QR codes are on the entrance to every library. Face coverings are compulsory in all settings within the library unless you are exempt. The one-way system is no longer in place, but social distancing is encouraged. You can find hand sanitizers on all entrances and at key touch points throughout the library, and there is an advanced cleaning process in operation. Most collections are still available to browse in person, but if you would like to use the online service, then make sure you check out the Click and Collect service through the library search. It's just as simple as picking out your most convenient collection spot. The library offers quiet, comfortable space to come in and study. You can use the space without booking, although during busy periods it may be wise to book a space. Please remember to clean your desk before and after use, and remember that the library is a no food zone, although you can bring in drinks with a lid. You can return your library books and library items at the 24-hour collection bins located outside the Health Library and the Cochrane building. If you want more details or have any other questions, head to cardiff.ac.uk/libraries, or to check them out on social media at Cardiff Uni Lib on Instagram and Twitter.